Hey y'all, we back with another video. Today we'll be doing a classic Barbie tail on one of my favorite clients. She has so much hair. Right now we're just detangling her hair. Once it's detangled, I'm going to go in and I'm going to blow dry it. After that, I'm going to flat iron it. And then we're going to start the molding process. You're going to use your Got2b and you're going to spray her head in the back, and then you're going to use your blow dryer and your edge brush to start the mold. And you're going to do the same thing all the way around the whole head until you get the perfect mold. Next up is adding the extensions. So you're going to go ahead and braid her real hair into a braid, and this is where you're going to attach the bundle. We're going to add some accessories to her hair today because she's attending a Barbie themed birthday party. I like both. I like either the scrunchie or the hair bow, but she went with the scrunchie. See y'all later. Bye.